Greetings to all you American history enthusiasts, and to all the ships at sea. Time for another Walter O'Malley newsreel. Dateline, World War II, USA. Before World War II, most women worked at a typical female jobs, as homemakers, like Susie here.
We'll have to flirt with dollies that are real. When I come home at night, she will be waiting.
See how proud Susie is to work for her family and keep her home clean?
In all this world, I'd rather have a paper doll to call my own than have a fickle-minded real live girl. I guess I had $1 million or more. I guess I played the doll game over and over. I just quarreled with Sue, and that's why I'm blue. She's gone away and left me just like all dolls do. I'll tell you boys it's tough.
And here's Nancy, making a tasty meal for her family. Sure smells good, Nancy.
I'm through with all of them. I'll never fall again. Say, boy, what
a woman's work is never done. Susie here sure works hard keeping her family's home clean. That vacuum sure looks heavy, Susie.
At all that other fellows cannot steal. And then the flirty.
Women are thrifty and good with fine detailed work. See Nancy making her family's clothes by hand. She's saving her family money. Nice work, Nancy.
When I come home at night, she will be waiting. She'll be the newest doll in all this world.
Women are blissful taking care of their domestic duties, but things are about to change. December 7th, 1941, Pearl Harbor. A day that we will never forget. America goes to war. The men go overseas, leaving their women behind, and many important jobs vacant. Jobs that our country needs filled to win.
Hurry back, oh my love. Hurry.
And who steps up to the plate? The women, Rosie the Riveters.
Where the rain or shine, she's a part of the assembly line. She's making history, working for victory.
Here's Nancy, and she's ready to work.
Sharp lookout for sabotage, sitting up there on the fuselage. That little frail can do more than a man can do. Rosie, the Riveter, Rosie's got a.
And here's Susie, getting the job done, just as well as any man could do.
Working overtime on the riveting machine. When they gave her a production knee, she was as proud as a girl could be. There's something true about red, white, and blue about Rosie, the Riveter.
Here's Susie and Nancy again, working hard. You can do it.
The Riveter, Rosie, working on assembly line.
As husbands are fighting overseas, the women are building the equipment they need to win the war. We call them Rosie the Riveter, though they aren't all named Rosie, and they aren't all Riveters.
Rosie, Rosie, Rosie.
Rosie told them that they could do it.
On the assembly line.
That's all.
And they did.